this will be for my Chrome browser tools evaluation. So we're going to first open up our console, which is going to be Control-Shift-I. And then in here, we're going to have our tools, our elements, which shows all of our items that are on the page. You can highlight them and see what you're looking at here. So this division is all of it. And then it goes down even further. You bring it down even further, go down, inspect individual items. Your console is going to show all your errors, your warnings. You can also use this to write out some functions and codes. A little bit of JavaScript there to print hello world. Sources. This is going to be everything that is used to build your applications. There's your application files, local storage, cookies. You can see what's being held from the website. Network shows the speed of everything, so we do a refresh. You can see what's taking what, how long it's taking, the timeline for everything. Notice that some things are taking longer than the others. You could use this to optimize networking speed, performance. Same thing. You're gonna see how your website is performing. Memory. This is for seeing what's being used in their memory to power the site, like running JavaScript and whatnot. Security, this is for like validation, certificate validations, HTTPS, whether it's not secure or not. Lighthouse, this is what replaced audits. And then there's a couple more here that I have used for other things. So in elements here, this is where you can use to really play with the page and see what's going on. So let's go ahead and inspect this here. To inspect, we'll edit this, we'll say trumpet, right? And then we can go to the image. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and edit this. Let's edit the picture here. Alright, and bam! Oh! Trumpet narrows Supreme Court list. What? The trumpet? This cat? He's playing that? And that's how you can manipulate and go through with the Chrome tools and all the tabs that we went through to change and see what you're doing, especially with doing calls and stuff right here. You're getting posts, seeing your statuses, seeing if anything's broken. And that's essentially how you would use your Google tools. Thanks.